Hi there, welcome to the channel VinIQ. Today, that is 3rd March 2023, we celebrate the birthday of the CITES, that is Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora. So this in general is referred to as by United Nations as World Wildlife Day, which is also coincidentally is the 50th birth anniversary of CITES, that is Convention on International Trade in the Wild Flora and Fauna. So the primary objective of this World Wildlife Day is globally to conserve and protect the wild species of plants and animals and prevent the poaching or illegal killings and trade of wild plants and animals, which may result in global decrease in the biological diversity and all the benefits which arise out of this global biological diversity. In general, primarily the focus is on not only habitat conservation but also to have an international agreement to prevent or ban the trade across the borders. Here we focus on not only about the protection of plants and animals which are indigenous, but also to discourage these illegal killers or poachers and traders concerned with plant and animal parts across the borders for various purposes. So here the United Nations tries to educate people and have a collective action for this conservation of global biological diversity, which is greatly contributed by wild varieties of flora and fauna which are largely endemic to various parts of the world. Here, so the theme of 2023 World Wildlife Day is Partnerships for Wildlife Conservation. Here, United Nations calls for actionable decisions concerned with all partner countries for protection and conservation of habitats and the wild flora and fauna, and curtail or prevent or control any trade which happens concerned with the endangered species of flora and fauna across the borders. All in all, the goal is to protect global biological diversity and to develop a philosophy of live and let live. That means the habitat, which is Earth, belongs to all living organisms and we share and do not own the habitat which is called as Earth. So global biological diversity in the form of wild varieties of flora and fauna are very precious and they play a crucial role in maintenance of ecological balance of global critical ecosystems. And they also give a lot of benefits to humans across in the form of either food or livelihoods or raw materials for our industries, or as a source of recreation or aesthetic purposes, and also as source of pharmaceutical industries or chemical industries or any other kind of industrial processes which would be based on plants or animals or their products. Here, the ban is only on, or the action is to control the trade of only endangered species of flora and fauna and not those which are abundantly available globally. So, endangered and critically endangered species are categorized under IUCN Red List. So IUCN Red List categorizes all plants and animals globally into various categories into critically endangered, endangered and vulnerable, which form very important categories because the conservation or the protective measures should focus only on these types of organisms, and other types or other categories need not be prioritized on an immediate basis. So this is about the CITES, that is 50th anniversary of Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Flora and Fauna and their protection in the form of World Wildlife Day, which is celebrated on 3rd of March every year. This convention was signed in the year 1973, and since then every year United Nations celebrates this World Wildlife Day. And I urge on behalf of our YouTube channel VinIQ, everyone to please save or protect or conserve wild plants and animals and discourage any activity concerned with killing or poaching or trading of parts of or whole organisms, which may be very important for the maintenance of ecological balance and may be source of livelihood to very communities in which we live. And I request all of you to please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to give your valuable feedback in the comment section below, which may encourage us to give or to have more valuable content like this in the future. Thank you.